What's playing little thing? Is it digging?
I can't tell.
Yeah, it's probably
Ooh.
Yeah, you got a catfish. Hearing that?
Let's go. YouTube, what is going on? Out here today at a nice little pier. Doing some pier fishing today. Going after some catfish. This guy here is called a ton of white perch. Yeah, we'll see what we can catch. I bought an ugly stick specifically for this. That didn't work out too well. Hopefully I can return those. They're supposed to be unbreakable, but yeah, that broke pretty quickly. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully catch some catfish. I'm gonna do a catch and cook a little bit later on today. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Keep casting, guys. So I got my boy Jeremy out here today. He's gonna be showing me some things. He's the culprit who broke the ugly stick. But tell us what we're gonna be doing, man.
We're going to be going for some catfish. Hopefully we'll win a decent... I'm going for a 6-pounder. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I need my PB, which is going to be whatever I catch.
Most likely get some channel catfish. We're going to catch something for sure.
Yeah. So my boy Jeremy, he was out with me recently. He caught a 4.5 snakehead, so he owes me because of that snakehead. I'm all rigged up. Got a 3-ounce weight, bloodworm. Trusting Jeremy and the guys that are out here. They're telling me I should be fine. We'll see what happens. You're good. I'm gonna just cast around a little bit. It's not deep at all.
Yeah, I've caught wildlife, but not no
snakeheads. Yeah, snakeheads they're fun to catch. And they taste, it's just all white meat, man.
Yeah.
Crazy because they look so ugly.
Yeah. Where you catch them at?
Delaware.
Oh, Delaware.
Yeah, you can catch them here.
Yeah.
You're in Maryland. Yeah, they here. They're here. You find you like a nice little stream somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get my awareness up. But you find you like a stream.
Somewhere in Edgewood.
Really?
Yeah.
I could believe it. Yeah, like any like little streams where like a big body of water like this goes back into, because they're spawning right now.
A friend of mine told me his boy is catching them with going out.
I heard about that. They're doing that in Blackwater. Yeah, it's a fight though, man. It's the best fight. So I decided to cast around the lipless just because you guys know I am not a slow fisherman. I am 100% a power fisher. No, I gotta keep casting. It's in the name. Fish on?
Yeah.
Catfish. Oh, that's not a bad one.
Keep them.
I'm okay. I want to catch my own. Baby guy.
Baby. Could it be your grandma?
First fish of the day, guys. Didn't have the GoPro. Oh, he tried to spike me. Sorry, buddy. You bit off something a little bit more than you could chew.
Yeah, I think we good.
Perch, white perch. Later, buddy. So, I got my first fish. I'm a rookie to this, guys. I'm gonna be completely honest, but it's fun. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to. I'm more of a power fisher, but we'll see. I mean, I saw a guy catch a tiny striper over there. Just saw a 10-pound blue cat get caught. So I'm hoping if I get this out far enough, we'll be fine. Got a bass rod out here.
What's going on? Is it digging?
I can't tell.
Yeah, it's probably.
Ooh,
Yeah, you got a catfish. And that's
let's go. First fish of the day. Second fish. I'm lying. I might need a net. Let's see. I need a net. I need the net, baby. Should I stop flipping? Let's go, guys. First one. It's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah.
what you catching on?
Liver.
Oh, that's off the kidneys.
Liver. Kidney. Let's go. First one. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro.
No problem.
Yo, you're gonna be on a YouTube video. You might as well shout yourself out, bro.
I wish I had a YouTube. I wish.
You got an Instagram? Shout yourself out, brother.
All right, let's do it. What is that? SKUS07. Instagram, hit me up.
Hit him up.
DMs
Follow
are
him.
open.
Yeah, for
Let me
sure.
know.
For sure, let him know. Check out that fish. I'm gonna get me a nice little weight on this guy, but this is my first. I've caught catfish in the past, but this is probably my PB catfish. I'm gonna try to top that by the end of tonight. Yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir. Zeroed out the scale. Let's see. Hold on, let me show you guys at this scale. Zeroed out. Look at him moving. Look at him. And 3.8. 3.8, guys. 3.8. It's a nice cat, though. PB cat. Let's go.
That's a good size.
Guys, finally getting around to frying up the catfish. Been doing a lot of filming lately. Been getting out there on the water. It's been a lot of fun. Hoping to bring you guys some cool content. Continue watching. Be sure to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and that like button if you like the content. Let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to see. So I have the nuggets here, all chopped up. The clean process went a lot better than the snakehead clean. First time cleaning catfish, it was fun. We'll see how they taste. I haven't tasted catfish in years. So I'm going to season this up. I'm going to start out with some seasoning salt, all purpose. Get that Lawry's going. I'm going to also use some Old Bay. Give it that seafood taste. I haven't had catfish in years. My family loves catfish, but it's been a while. We'll see how this tastes. I'm excited to try it. Also, Indian red pepper. Love this stuff. Add that spice. Give it a little bit. Get Cajun style. Throw some garlic on it. Oh yeah. Some black pepper. Love the fresh cracked black pepper. And adobo all purpose. Use this on everything too. So everything's on season up. I'm gonna get this seasoning all around these nuggets. So I have the fryer already on. This is a Fabroware fryer. I purchased this at Walmart. I'll put the link in the description below. It only cost me, I think, under 20 bucks. It's an easy deep fryer. Gets things nice and crispy. I'll link that in the description below. Let me know if you have any suggestions on fryers, if you guys use fryers. I typically don't, but I've been using them lately for these catch and cooks. It makes it easier, easy to clean up, things like that. So I have a 1 gallon freezer bag. Was able to find those. Times are crazy. It's hard to shop for things nowadays. I'm going to be using cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, to coat these. So I'm going to let that out in the bag. Next, I'm going to put some milk. And I'm going to put an egg in there. did catch and cook. No whammies with the egg. We'll see. Pressure is on. No whammies. Alright. Now I'm gonna whip it. I'm actually gonna add some hot sauce to the wash. I'll link that in the description below. Torchbearer has some really, really good hot sauces. Love this one. It gives everything a lot of flavor. Soups, things like that. Like I said, I love to cook. Next, throw that catfish in that wash. And we're gonna throw that catfish right into the cornmeal. Give it a nice little shake. Those are all coated pretty nice. Grease is hot. And I'm gonna put the nuggets in the basket. You deep fry anything, typically it tastes pretty good. Just drench it in fat. And drop them. Guys, I'm thinking these are pretty much done. If they're floating, they'll be done. See that steam coming up out of there? Open it up. They look pretty good. I'm a little bit nervous because, like I said, I haven't had catfish in years, but that looks pretty good. I'm gonna throw this here. Let those rest for a second and get this other batch going. So these are nice and golden brown. It's funny how like it kind of rolled up, but they look pretty good. They look pretty appetizing. I'm gonna go for the first one, no sauce, and then I'm gonna throw sriracha or maybe hot sauce on a few. It's good. It's good. It definitely tastes like fish. It's really good. I'm comparing it to the snakehead, and I don't think there's anything that compares to how great that snakehead tastes. This tastes good. It's white meat. Tastes like fish, like any other fish I've ever had. Not bad. But yeah, I'm compared to the snakehead right now, and snakehead's awesome. I'm gonna try one with hot sauce. Hot sauce usually makes everything taste great, especially this hot sauce. Nice little bit. That's pretty good. That's really good. It's really good. Guys, appreciate you guys continue watching my videos. I appreciate all the support so far. Again, go down below, hit that like button if you like this video. If you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so that you're notified exactly when I upload a new video. I'm trying to get more content out to you guys more frequently. We'll see how that goes. I have a lot of content that I've already have edited up. Just need to drop it. So stay tuned for that, guys. As always, keep casting.